Hi Sam, Adrian Parks from ADAS Solutions Australia. Started in the industry a long time ago now when I was 16 as a Mercedes-Benz and Porsche apprentice back in Europe. So right now I'm the founding director of ADAS Solutions Australia, and we carry out ADAS repairs, calibrations, diagnosis, training, support, you name it. Anything to do with ADAS, it's our bag. I guess I've always most liked about the industry new technology. It's a really dynamic industry, an ever-changing industry, and I'm pleased to say that I've always been on the cusp of those changes and that new technology. I guess what I most dislike about the industry is people who don't embrace that change and people who don't repair vehicles properly. I'm going to go left of field here and I'm going to say anybody who works in ADAS Solutions Australia, I admire the team. I don't admire one person in particular, but the team, I admire them every day. Kudos to the team. First car was a Mark II Escort. I'm a Pommy guy, remember, so it was a Mark II Escort back in those days. Current car is a boring old Toyota Prado. And dream car, I've got a stable full of dream cars. But I'm going to say something again totally left of field, and I'm going to say a Mercedes-Benz 190e 2.5 16 valve Evo. Look that up.